Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're opening a silver Tempest booster pack. Let me open it. Alright guys, Energy, Sunflora, Primordial Altar, the Dean, Feroseed, Pikachu, Panita, Venonat, Dewpider. Oh, we got a Superior V. That's a nice one. Alright guys, can you make me a special favor? I haven't had any subscriber in the last 3 weeks, and I think there's something wrong with my account. So can anybody subscribe to me and tell me in the comment that you subscribe, and if you want to remove it after, that's on you. I just want to see if my account is working well or not. So thank you very much guys.